Good afternoon guys, welcome to the channel. If you are a new MacBook user or if you are thinking to get a MacBook for yourself, this is a MacBook case option for you. I just got this for $16 by the brand Voova, which is of course made in China. It's so simple. It has 3 pockets and it has 8 color options you can choose. Okay, let's see how useful is this sleeve bag or MacBook case. It comes in this plastic zip bag, which I really liked. When we take the bag off from inside of the zipper cover, we see the brand card and the bag. They are thanking us to purchase their product, of course. I think this wine red color looks amazing. Of course, that's my taste, but as I mentioned, it has 8 different color options. The touch feels nice and I think it is manufactured by some kind of mixture of nylon and cotton. One downside, the bag has only one handle and no straps, which could be uncomfortable in some cases. But for me, I rarely use straps. If you like to carry it by hanging to your shoulder, you should stay away from this case. On the other hand, it is too much to expect that for $16. Actually, it's cheap. When we look inside the bag, the material inside is extremely soft and this soft layer is actually quite thick, which means although it looks so slim but protective at the same time. If I need to describe the touching feel, is like you are moving your hand on a piece of velvet, I think. Yes, something like that. And just like I said, we have 2 more zipper pockets, which make me to think that this thin, small sleeve bag is going to store all of my necessary accessories that I can't do without. They are deep enough and those silver color zipper handles looks awesome with vignette for my taste. Now, this is the time to see if this affordable MacBook Air case is going to able to store all my must-have accessories with me. Mouse, MacBook charger, charging cable, one USB-A, one USB 3, and one iPhone USB disk. A micro USB to USB-A converter. Blitzwolf Bluetooth earbuds, which allows me to edit my videos while I am having my coffee outside, which I really like to work outside. First bucket is done. Let's see the second one. A 10,000 mAh power bank. A Bezeus 4-in-1 C-type docking station. By the way, I also have 8-in-1 version of this and will make a video about these stations to tell you my experience with them, because they are really useful for me. An 18-watt fast wall phone charger, USB-A to USB-C converter, and my charging cable for the iPhone 13 Pro. The last one is a micro USB charging cable. I don't know why I'm carrying it, but I'm just carrying it. Done. It is done. Amazing. And of course the MacBook Air itself. This is amazing how this little bag handles all of these items, and with more tight loading it would even store more accessories. After full loading, it still looks quite thin. Look at this. 3 or more fingers wide, 4 fingers, something like that. Overall, if you are not obsessed with your accessories like me, this bag would be a quite good option for you. So this is the end of another video. If you would like to get any of these accessories, you can find the links in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.